All right, so Mia has a pretty dang successful business going, okay? So successful, now she just wants to start investing, like on the side. She knows that she needs to diversify her portfolio. She doesn't want to have all her eggs in one basket. She doesn't just want to be invested into her own business. She wants to make sure that she still has wealth if her business were to fail, or if we were to have go through a pandemic like coronavirus, right? So what she's going to do is she's going to put $50,000 and she's going to invest that into a brokerage account. Okay, so she found a financial advisor and he said that he can give her a 7% annual return on her $50,000 investment. Okay, so she's saying, okay, well, how much will I make after 10 years if I put $50,000 into, invested that with you? How much will you be able to turn that into over 10 years if with that 7% annual return? Okay, so again, our first step is to annotate, right? So we're going to annotate. So our initial investment is $50,000. Our T is 10 years as time, and then our rate is 7, right? So 0.07, right? So our equation is going to look something like this, right? Y equals 50,000 times 0.107 to the 10th, okay? So 1.07, okay, to the 10th. We get this number here, 1.967, okay, and then we are going to multiply that by our original investment, $50,000, right? And as you can see, she made $98,350. So she didn't do anything. She put 50, that's pretty awesome, right? She made $48,000 just by putting $50,000 into a investment account, right? She didn't even do anything. $48,000 not even doing anything, okay? So that's pretty awesome, okay? But she has another broker. And this other broker says, you know what, that guy's doing pretty good. He can make you some money. 7% per year is pretty typical for an investment, for a stock investment, right? But I'm a little bit more of an active investor, and I can make 1% monthly return over that 10 years, okay? So what does that look like, okay? All right, so I'm going to walk you through this. I want you to solve this one on your own, but let's look at it real quick, okay? So $50,000 investment, right? 10 years, 1% monthly, okay? So remember, we need to change this 10 years to monthly, right? So 10 times 12 is 120. Your equation should look like this. Y equals 50,000 times 1.01 to the 120. Okay? I want you to solve this, okay? You can go in here, you can just change this number here to 120, or change your 7 to 1, your 10 to 120, change whatever that number is, okay? See what the difference is. Tell me what the difference, which investment's better, okay? Check it out. And and then I'm going to get with you here in a little bit, go over the next few videos, just let you know what you need to do. There's Emmett right there, by the way. All right, peace.